This is our Porsche Macan T 72 plate, and it is in need of the steering wheel and the gear knob needing a good clean. Now, a lot of customers have asked us in the past of maybe replacing the wheel because of the condition it's in, and I've just said to them, it just needs a good clean. So the amount of people that have asked me, I thought I'll do a little video and show everyone a step-by-step tutorial. It's very simple of how to clean either the Alcantara, or on the Porsches is known as Race-tex, the steering wheel and the gear knob. So stay with me and I'll show you how to do it. As you can see here, the steering wheel's just gone like it's one complete sticky mess, and it's just the Alcantara or the Race-tex, and the sweat and dirt off our hands has just gone onto there, and it's created this very gunky wheel. So like I said, we're going to clean this up. It's very simple. You just need a microfiber, and we've just put some Autoglim interior cleaner, diluted it 1 to 10 with some mildly hot water, and we're simply going to get this wet. We're going to put...
Could you use fairy liquid at home if you didn't have, or is that...
Yeah, you could do. I have done that in the past. I just use the interior cleaner because it's a bit softer, but I have used a couple of drops of Fairy Up liquid. And all we're going to do is, once it's wet, just leave it on there for 10-15 seconds, let it heat up, and then just simply roll your wrists. So I will... start to do so. Now, we'll get a little bit messy, but you clean up afterwards. But just simply... you can see the dirt and grime that comes off.
Oh wow, yeah.
What about the wrist action here?
Oh wow. Yeah, look at that. It's like night and day. And this is...
You can see the difference there, as I've done down here. You can see
it's started to come out a bit.
you will have to go over it quite a few times.
Still quite matted.
Yeah, 2-3 times just to get the deep ingress in there, but you can see it's coming along. We'll do the steering wheel, then we'll do a comparison to the gear stick so you can see them side by side. So I've gone around the whole steering wheel now and just repeated those steps of just putting the cloth over the top and just twisting, and it's now taken off the oily sheen you get from your hands, and it looks brand new now. So yeah, you don't have to replace it, you can just simply clean it. And if you look at the gear knob compared to here now, you can do like a comparison of what it was before and what it looks like now. We will clean that now. Therm grip.
Yeah, you don't have to be gentle with it. Don't be afraid to...
Look at that.
Wow. How much dirt come off just that?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's incredible. Quite an easy one to factor into like your weekly car cleaning routine as well.
Yeah, just keeping on top of it.
That's just that's like 5 minutes that's taking you, not even.
Yeah, 5 minutes and just brings the car back to life, especially the steering wheel. It's just somewhere you get in and you're always touching the steering wheel. It's nothing you can get away from. Same with the gear stick. It's just the soft, it's like the soft places you touch. Just brings back that feel of the car rather than getting in and it's all grimy. And when this dries out, we'll leave it an hour or so and that will dry out and that'll be come back a bit lighter as well, so it'll look even fresher.
But it's mad that gear stick looked like it was leather.
Yeah, it was horrible, wasn't it? It's not very nice. Like I said, the amount of customers that go to me is something you can do with the steering wheel. I'm like, yeah, it just needs a quick clean. If we look in the bucket, we can show how dirty that water's got, especially how it's a clean cloth.
Yeah, you can still see the
Yeah.
dark on it. That is grim, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just all off your hands. Yeah, there's quite a few bubbles in there, but it's pretty.
Well, you can really see the darkness.
Come on. I won't bother. I'm just gonna get rid of the any bits of water we've. Do the final. So there's a quick and easy way of keeping your Alcantara wheel or Porsche Race-tex material clean in your car. This McCann T is for sale, so I'll get Henry to put the advert somewhere here. And yeah, if you do want a McCann T with a freshly cleaned wheel, do get in contact with us.